Monday Market Prediction. As we head into Monday's trading session, global markets are poised for a cautious start, driven by mixed signals from international markets, macroeconomic data, and investor sentiment. Traders and investors will be closely watching key developments in the U.S. economy, corporate earnings, and geopolitical updates to gauge short-term trends. Global cues. Asian markets may open slightly higher on Monday, tracking Friday's modest gains on Wall Street. The U.S. stock market ended the previous week with slight advances, supported by technology shares and hopes that the Federal Reserve may hold off on further interest rate hikes. However, uncertainty remains due to inflation data and global economic conditions. In Europe, markets continue to face pressure from weak manufacturing data and ongoing concerns about sluggish growth in Germany and France. Any surprise movement in oil prices or geopolitical tensions, especially in the Middle East or Eastern Europe, could influence global investor mood on Monday. Indian market outlook. The Indian stock market may open flat to mildly positive, with focus on domestic cues such as corporate earnings, macroeconomic indicators, and foreign institutional investor (FII) activity. Last week, Indian indices saw volatility due to profit booking at higher levels. Nifty and Sensex may see a consolidation phase unless there's a strong catalyst. Investors will be watching sectors like IT, banking, and auto for early momentum. The performance of mid-cap and small-cap stocks will also be important as retail participation remains strong. Key factors to watch. U.S. inflation and interest rate outlook. Any update from the Federal Reserve or upcoming inflation data will likely influence global sentiment. Corporate earnings. Quarterly results from major companies will guide sector-specific trends. Crude oil prices. Any sharp movement in oil prices could impact energy stocks and inflation expectations. FII/D2 activity. Continued inflows or outflows from foreign investors will remain a key driver for Indian equity markets. Technical levels. Nifty has support at 22,200 and resistance around 22,600. A breakout or breakdown from this range could lead to directional movement. Conclusion. Monday's market is likely to remain range-bound unless triggered by major news. Investors are advised to stay cautious and follow a stock-specific strategy rather than aggressive index-level bets. Monitoring global cues, earnings results, and macroeconomic data will be essential for navigating the day's trade effectively.